Hey guys, I'm going to be telling you about sea urchins. Sea urchins are the cause of many bad days to beachgoers. They're best known for their pointy, sometimes poisonous spines. However, not all sea urchins will stab you at the touch. Most sea urchins have this globular radial skeleton called a test. Radial meaning it's split into 5. The test is made up of plates of calcium carbonate with hundreds of movable spines. Some have sharp spines, while others are much wider and duller. They can either live on the bottom of the seafloor or on another solid object. The sea urchin's mouth is on its underside. They have an incredibly complex set of radial jaws and teeth called Aristotle's lantern that's controlled by 60 separate muscles. They can use these jaws and teeth to scrape algae from rocks, eat other organisms, or bore through solid rock. Now, intertwined within their spines, urchins have something called tube feet. These tube feet have suckers on their surface that can help them cling to the surface and move very slowly. It also can attract particles to stick to them if it's a species like the collector urchin. Now, there are over 900 species of sea urchin. In Old English, the word urchin means hedgehog, which I can see the similarities in most urchins. Some of the urchins, well, a lot of the urchins that you have to look out for are in the family Diadematidae. They have long spines that can cause intense pain, although the actual spines don't bear any venom. It's the fact that they have shorter secondary spines that can be coated with venomous material. Some urchins can look dangerous when they're actually not. For instance, the rock-boring urchin is one of the most common urchins in the Indo-Pacific. It looks like it could stab you, but it can't. Its spines are not as pointy as they look. They kind of feel like plastic and are too blunt to really break any skin. Some urchins that don't have venomous spines have lethal pedicellariae. Pedicellariae are these really tiny pincher-like structures found next to urchin spines. However, I don't recommend experimenting with picking up urchins unless you're absolutely positive that you can't get stabbed or poisoned. Surrounding their mouth, urchins normally have 5 pairs of gills, and they have no true brain, just a large nerve ring that encircles the area around their mouth. Urchins can live in a range of habitats and depths across the globe, though they're not really seen in polar regions. Urchins are hunted a lot. To name a few, they can be hunted by sea otters, crabs, lobsters, triggerfish, and humans. In many parts of the world, the gonads of urchins are culinary delicacies. And apparently some people like to use their test as tiny plant pots.